In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix lag in Roblox easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do, guys, is simple. Just open Roblox and go to any server that you want. For example, I choose this one. It's a racing server. Now all what you have to do to fix the lag is very simple. Just go to the top here, click on Roblox logo, and then go to the settings page, scroll down and make sure to make the graphics mode on manual if it's on automatic, and make the graphics quality as lower as possible like this, and then go back. As you can see now, there is no lag easily. And yeah, that's it for today's video. If it's working, that's good. If it's not, please make sure to check some things like the battery charge on your phone. For example, I have 4%, which is not good. You should have at least 50% on your battery charge. And that's it. See you later.